Hey everyone, I'm John Coghlan, Director of Developer Advocacy at GitLab. Today I want to show you how you can build and manage custom agents inside GitLab Duo Agent Platform. These custom agents can help you speed up parts of the software development lifecycle that are getting overloaded with AI-generated code. Let's get to it. I'm an engineer working on the Tanuki Mag application. When looking at home loans on our website, I see a property price and amount to borrow. When I look at auto loans, there's only one field. It's just the car price. So I want to add a money down field to allow me to reduce the loan principal. I created an issue describing the change. The issue contains a description of the behavior that I want to see, acceptance criteria, implementation details, and more. Because I have a really good issue description, I'm able to use GitLab's developer flow. This is one of the out-of-the-box foundational flows that comes with Duo Agent Platform. I use it to generate a merge request from this issue. Foundational flows are multi-step agents created by GitLab to help you create merge requests, fix and convert CI pipelines, complete code reviews, and filter false positive security results. You can see that when I invoked the flow, it kicked off a session, the session generated a merge request, and then the session completed, and all this took was just a few minutes. The merge request that was created is here, and it has a detailed description of the changes, plus test coverage and key features. I also want to ensure that Duo Agent Platform was following the coding standards described in the project README. So I created a special custom agent to check the changes against our coding standards. I call it the Coding Standards Enforcer, and I'm going to ask it to do a review for this merge request. When I built this agent, I gave it a custom system prompt with the specific standards for this project. And so it's personalized for how my organization and my team work. Imagine having a swarm of agents customized by you and your team, helping you throughout the software lifecycle. This is the power of Duo Agent Platform. We see the agent go through the merge request, giving it access to a number of tools so it can get all the information it needs, and now it's giving me a readout and telling me how this MR conforms to the coding standards of our group. The changes and output are both really good. One thing I don't see is a comment on the merge request. Therefore, no one else on my team will be able to see that this MR has been reviewed and meets our coding standards. So I'm going to adjust our agent to allow it to leave a comment. That way, other folks on my team don't have to go do the same prompt that I just did. They can review the output from my run, and we can even discuss the agent's review if necessary. To make a change, I'll navigate to my agents and click Edit. In this agent panel, I can see the components of a custom agent. I'll look at the system prompt, and you can see it's got all the coding standards in here. The prompt also contains responsibilities. It says suggest corrections that align with standards, and I'm going to add an additional responsibility and ask it to leave a comment that conveys the results of the analysis. And then I'll give it access to an additional tool. The tools allow agents to access context and take actions inside GitLab. For this one, I'm going to allow it to create a merge request note. Once I've given it that additional tool, I'll save the changes and the agent is updated. Then I'm going to go back into my project and look at the agents. And you can see these are the custom agents that are enabled. The UI shows me that there is an update available. This is one of many enterprise-grade controls we built to allow you to use agentic AI safely in your projects. So I'll hit update. I could view the latest version, but instead I'll just update to v1.6.0 since I know what the changes are. And now I see the agent is up to date. I'll navigate back to my merge request, and I'm going to reload that agent. And let's see what happens this time. So I'll put in my prompt. Please review this merge request. And you can see it's going to do another review, but this time I expect it to add a comment. You can see each action that the agent is taking as it goes through the changes in the merge request and looks at the repository. And now that it has all the information that it needs, it will continue to review this merge request and compare it to the coding standards in my prompt. And here I'm getting asked to approve the change. So I can look at what the agent wants to do. It wants to take action on the merge request and leave a note, which is great. That's what I asked it for. So I'll approve. And Duo Agent Platform always keeps a human in the loop. It won't be making changes without your approval. So now I have to read it out, and let's go see the comment. And the comment has kind of all of the feedback that we need. And now everyone on my team will know that this MR meets the coding standards for this project. And so this is just one of the many ways that you can use Duo Agent Platform and its custom agents to meet the needs of your team and get great results from your agentic AI. In this demo, we showed you how GitLab Duo Agent Platform allows you to build and manage custom agents with access, tools, and context controlled by you. But context doesn't stop at custom agents. You can also use things like agent.md, custom rules, and custom rules for merge request reviews to continue to get better results out of your agents. This composability, combined with GitLab's data layer, allows you to speed up and improve results across the entire software development lifecycle, not just code generation. That's the power of GitLab Duo Agent Platform. We can't wait to see what you build with it.